Just yesterday, Apple announced their latest product at WWDC 23, the Apple Vision Pro, and it has gotten a lot of attention from the tech space and even the non-tech space. I mean, the reveal has gotten a whopping 8.2 million views in the first day alone, and out of all the companies, Meta is probably the one most scared of this announcement. Many people have started to make fun of Meta for their quite embarrassing first reveal of the metaverse back in 2021 and Apple's breathtaking announcement of the Vision Pro. So what did Apple do right that Meta did wrong? Well, that is what we are going to answer in today's video. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. I'm Sabuni for where we cover tech and business. And this is why Apple is winning the VR race against Meta. Number 1. Patience. If you've been in the tech space for a while, you'd know that the Vision Pro has been rumored and leaked multiple times before its eventual reveal in WWDC 23. For a lot of tech enthusiasts, including myself, it was surreal to actually see this thing just exists, because we have been waiting for it for a very long time. Then look at Meta. They revealed their plans for the metaverse way back in 2021. They announced their company's name change and that concept of the metaverse, all to an unimpressed audience. Apple instead waited a while, improved their idea of an AR/VR headset, then after perfecting it to the fullest, they announced it to the public. It is very clear to see which one of them was rushed to appear as market leaders and which one took their time to truly make a market leader product. Number 2. Show, don't tell. Another area where Apple succeeded, in my opinion, is the fact that they showed us a real product. Now, I know that sounds weird. I'm not saying Meta was showing us something fake necessarily, but Apple showed us a more concrete product with an actual release date and an actual price. Even if this is supposed to be a first-gen device, at least they gave us something to look forward to, opposite Meta, which even if they showed us a lot of impressive stuff, they didn't give us anything to look forward to. A lot of the things shown in the ads are just concept, and we've barely seen any of them come to life, maybe except for Horizon Worlds, if you want to consider that, which, by the way, leads me to our next point. Number 3. Polish. And no, I don't mean the people from Poland. What I'm talking about is the fact that Apple's Vision Pro seemed much more finished and honestly better than Meta's offering in a lot of regards. For example, as I mentioned earlier, Horizon Worlds. That was supposed to be a showcase of what could be possible with the metaverse, but the thing is, Horizon Worlds was a buggy mess and became somewhat of a meme in the tech industry. It is obvious that Meta wanted to get something out relating to the metaverse, so they released this. And honestly, instead of it making Meta seem like they were innovators, they made the whole concept of a metaverse seem more like a joke than anything. Compare that to Apple, which didn't try to rush out a whatever product to make themselves look like they were innovators. Instead, they worked on a bunch of very impressive tech demos that wowed the audience. But you wanna know why the Apple tech demos impressed more and got wider attention? Because we had concrete info that this device is an actual device releasing in a couple months, and that it could display amazing stuff like the tech demos they showed us, and that is important. So in the end, what do you think about all this? Do you think that Apple is going to beat Meta in the VR/AR war, or that Meta is going to have a comeback? Let me know in the comments. And that has been everything. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.